So last month I did a video about my favorite KWGT widgets of 2020 and I showcased a couple of home screen setups. Now this video is going to try and explain how I got those, so as promised. Now all Nova backup files, exports of KWGT widgets and links to wallpapers will be in the description below. And just in case if you don't know how to customize your home screen using Nova Launcher and KWGT Widgets Pro, I've done a video tutorial, it's on the top right corner, do check it out. And now let's move on. So here's the first one, and I think it looks really energetic. It's very vibrant, and every time I look at it, it really refreshes my mood. And it's also pretty useful. So all these widgets are actually functional. The icon pack that I'm using is Linex White Icon Pack, and I'm using Sugarcubes KWGT for the widgets. The widgets are all functional, you can tap on that to get the Google Voice, you've got your calendar entries and agenda, you've got shortcuts to apps, and the look of these widgets really goes well with the background. And of course, I've had a purple background in the app drawer to match that look. So this is the KWGT widget that I'm using, Sugarcubes. It's obviously inspired from iOS style widgets, and they all look super vibrant. Now, this KWGT pack is not available for free in the Play Store, but I do have 30 promo codes to give away to you guys. And all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and DM me there asking me for promo codes to Sugarcubes KWGT specifically. And the icon pack that I'm using is Linex White Icon Pack. I've used this in quite a few home screen customizations, and the fact that it can actually go with pretty much any wallpaper really makes it flexible. So try and get this for yourself in any case. And guys, before we move on, if you've still not subscribed to my channel, it'll mean so much if you could, and just hit that bell notification icon. Really supports my channel and helps me grow it even more. Now let's go ahead. So the second one is actually very different from the first one. It's a lot more soft and subtle and minimal and classy. And it uses Shadow KWGT widgets to achieve that look. These widgets are super soft, they've got very subtle shadows, and they look really clean. And I've bundled that with Crayon Icon Pack, which I think looks phenomenal. I mean, it just goes so well with the entire look. Now, I do have 30 promo codes to give away to you guys for Crayon Icon Pack, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you follow me on Instagram and DM me there asking me for promo codes to Crayon Icon Pack. It's also got a bunch of wallpapers that can really go well with it. And as I said, Shadow KWGT widgets, by far my favorite KWGT widget pack, and I think it's an absolute must for everyone who uses KWGT widgets to customize their home screens to have Shadow KWGT widgets. So make sure that you definitely get this one. And now here's the third one. Unlike the previous one, this is on the dark side of things. So of course it's going to be one of those battery saving things, and the icons and the widgets really pop out and they look super gorgeous, right? So I'm using Dusk KWGT widgets. It's got like a bunch of light as well as dark based theme widgets, as well as a colorful gradient based widget. So it's really just an extension to Shadow KWGT. I do have 30 promo codes to give away to you guys, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and DM me asking me for Dusk KWGT widgets. Now I'm also using Linex Icon Pack, which I think is again one of my evergreen all-time favorite icon packs, and you can see why. It goes with that gradient language, gradient design language that I really love, and it goes so well on dark wallpapers, just stands out. And again, with that KWGT widget pack, just goes beautifully. And adding to my obsession with gradients, here is the last home screen setup. As you can see, the gradient wallpaper is really nice and loud and sort of still very minimal and sophisticated. I'm using Bladient Icon Pack, which again, I've used in my previous setups. Hopefully you've got that already with you. Now, Bladient Icon Pack looks fabulous. It's got that purple hue to it along with gradient-based icons. And just like the first setup, I think the wallpaper really adds to a lot of vibrancy and energy in this entire setup. I mean, that's the life of this entire home screen setup. And now for the good news, I do have 25 promo codes to give away to you guys, so make sure you do follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and DM me there, asking me for promo codes specifically to Bladient Icon Pack. First come, first serve basis, I'll give them out. And I also have Donut KWGT, which I think is very stylish. It's a little limited in terms of variety, but hey, it's really great. And you get Fusion KWGT widget for the widget that I'm using beneath, which is, for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Again, neuromorphic, shadow-based, lovely widget pack. So that's it, guys. Those were 4 home screen setups that I wanted to share with you guys. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification icon. I'll see you guys in the next one.